Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Learning Channel. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. It's great to have you here again.
Yeah, thanks for joining us. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and follow our podcast. We share easy English conversations to help you speak naturally and confidently.
That's right. Today, we're going to talk about something everyone does every single day.
Eat? Sleep?
Yes, that too. But today's topic is about our daily routines, from morning to night.
Oh yes, that's a good one. Everyone has their own routine, right? Some people wake up early, some sleep late.
Exactly. So let's talk about what we do in a normal day, how our day starts, and how it ends.
Sounds great. So Mia, do you want to start? What's your morning like?
Okay, so I usually wake up around 6:30 in the morning. I'm not really a morning person, but I try.
6:30, that's early. I can never wake up before 7:30.
Yeah, sometimes I hit the snooze button 2 or 3 times. But once I finally get up, I drink a glass of water first.
Oh, that's healthy. They say it helps wake you up.
Yeah, exactly. Then I open the window and let some fresh air in. I like to stretch a little, move my arms, shoulders, legs. It helps my body wake up.
That sounds nice. Do you make your bed right away?
Not always. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. But I try to. It makes the room look clean.
Yeah, same here. I tell myself, make the bed, but then I just forget.
Classic. So what about you, Alex? How does your morning start?
Well, I usually wake up around 7:30. The first thing I do is check my phone.
Oh no, that's not good, Alex.
I know. It's a bad habit. I just look at the time, then maybe check some messages. But after that, I go straight to brush my teeth and wash my face.
That's better.
Then I make a cup of coffee. I can't live without my morning coffee.
I understand. I drink tea in the morning. Coffee makes me too awake.
Too awake? Isn't that the point?
Maybe, but I prefer something lighter. I usually eat breakfast around 7:45. Just something simple, bread, eggs, or sometimes cereal with milk.
That sounds good. I usually eat toast with butter and sometimes a banana.
Nice. Breakfast is important. It gives you energy for the day.
True. After breakfast, I take a quick shower, get dressed, and then I start my work.
What time do you start working?
Around 9 a.m. I work from home, so I don't have to travel anywhere.
Lucky you. I go to the office, so I usually leave home by 8:15. I walk to the train station.
Oh, you take the train?
Yeah, it takes about 25 minutes. I usually listen to music or podcasts during the ride.
That's a good way to start the day.
Yeah, it helps me feel calm before work starts.
Okay, so after the morning rush, what's your afternoon like?
My afternoons are usually busy. I have meetings, answer emails, and do my tasks. Around 12:30, I take a lunch break.
What do you eat for lunch usually?
It depends. Sometimes I bring food from home, maybe rice and vegetables. Other times I eat with my coworkers at a small restaurant near the office.
Oh, that's nice. I usually make something quick at home, maybe a sandwich or noodles.
That's simple and easy. After lunch, I usually feel sleepy.
Same here. After lunch, I always feel like taking a nap.
Me too, but I can't because I'm at work, so I drink some water, maybe walk around for a few minutes to feel awake.
Good idea. I sometimes take a short break and just stretch a little, or look outside the window. It helps my mind rest.
Yeah, it's important to take small breaks.
So, what time does your work finish?
Usually around 5:30 p.m., sometimes later if there's a lot to do.
That's a long day.
Yeah, but it's okay. I enjoy my job. After work, I walk back to the train station. Sometimes I stop at a convenience store to buy a drink or snack.
Sounds relaxing. I usually finish around 4:30 or 5. Then I like to take a short walk outside.
That's nice. Walking helps clear your head.
Yeah, it really does, especially if I've been looking at the computer all day.
So, Alex, what's your evening routine like?
Well, after my walk, I come home and relax for a bit. I usually watch some YouTube videos or listen to music.
What kind of videos do you watch?
Mostly travel videos or cooking channels. Sometimes I watch English podcasts too.
Oh, maybe Mr. Learning Channel?
Of course, every day.
Good answer.
Around 7, I start cooking dinner. I'm not a great cook, but I can make pasta, fried rice, or sometimes chicken with vegetables.
That sounds delicious.
What about you? Do you cook in the evening?
Sometimes. If I'm tired, I just make something simple, maybe salad or soup. But if I have energy, I cook a real meal.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making Japanese curry. It's easy and tasty.
Oh, that's one of my favorites too. The smell is amazing.
I know, right? After dinner, I usually clean up the kitchen and do the dishes.
Same here. I like to finish everything before I relax again.
Yeah, me too. Then around 8 or 8:30, I take a shower. It helps me feel fresh and calm.
Oh, I also take a shower in the evening. It's a good way to relax before bed.
After that, I sometimes read a book or watch a drama.
Oh, I love watching dramas. What are you watching these days?
I'm watching a Korean drama now. It's funny and romantic.
Nice. I've been watching a travel series about Japan. It makes me want to go there someday.
That's cool. Japan is beautiful. The food, the culture, the people.
Yeah, I really want to see Tokyo and Kyoto one day.
You should. So, after watching your videos, what do you usually do next?
Around 10 p.m., I brush my teeth, prepare my clothes for tomorrow, and sometimes write in my journal.
Oh, you write a journal. That's nice.
Yeah, I just write a few lines. What I did today, what I felt thankful for. It helps me relax and think positive.
That's a great idea. I should try that too.
You should. Then around 10:30 or 11, I go to bed.
That's early. I usually sleep around 11:30 or midnight
Oh, why so late?
because I always end up watching just one more episode of my drama.
I know that feeling.
So that's pretty much my day. Wake up early, go to work, come home, relax, and sleep.
And mine is wake up, work from home, walk, and sleep.
Sounds simple, but everyone's daily routine is a little different.
True, but I think routines help us feel organized.
Yeah, and they make our lives more balanced.
You know, sometimes I try to change my routine a bit. Maybe exercise in the morning or read instead of watching TV at night.
That's a good idea. Small changes make life more interesting.
Yeah. What about weekends? Do you follow the same routine?
No way. Weekends are special. I sleep longer and meet friends or go shopping.
Same here. I sleep late and sometimes go out for lunch or see a movie.
That's nice. I think everyone needs a break from their normal schedule.
Definitely. Too much routine can feel boring sometimes.
Yeah, balance is the key. Some structure, some freedom.
Well said. Pause.
So, listeners, what about you? How's your daily routine? Do you wake up early or sleep late?
We'd love to know. You can share your routine in the comments or tell us how your day usually goes.
And don't forget, if today's conversation helped you learn something new, hit that like button and subscribe to Mr. Learning Channel.
Yeah, we have many more fun and simple English conversations coming soon.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
Have a great day or a good night, wherever you are.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.